Yeah.
Hello, my name is Tayo Pagwan, Student Ambassador for the University. I'm a former GSA and I want to enroll for an extra year, so I'll be putting in for using an ambassador program for the year 2013-2014. Now, my plans as a GSA is that I want my university to go Google. I have thought through the use of Google Apps for education and Google products like Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google products. Now, two, I need more usage of Google Plus on my campus and also holding Google Hangouts for students, whereby a professor will come to the Google Hangout and educate the students on lectures and also on what will enhance their academic performance. And also, the GTIT, thank God it's Friday, it's just a fantastic moment for students to come together through Google Hangout by inviting a personality that's very popular on campus or outside of campus to emulate. Those are my plans as a GSA.